The first recipient of the Engineering Medal for Engineering Excellence is P.Eng. Garrod.
I was inspired by a mentor, a very experienced tunnel engineer, and he invited me to get involved in a project in Vancouver, and it's been tunnels continuously since then. So I really enjoy the tunnels are a combination of construction and design. They have to be very closely linked, and that makes it very exciting to me. The most prestigious project that I've worked on is the Channel Tunnel, which connects England to France. And it was particularly gratifying for me because I had emigrated to Canada and was asked to return to the UK to work on that project so I could apply some knowledge I'd learned overseas. Probably the most challenging was the Beacon Hill project, Beacon Hill Station in Seattle. That was the construction method there was to construct a station by tunneling. Most stations are excavated from the surface, and this was to be done from underground in soil. And it was the first time that kind of technique had been applied in North America. So there's lots of lessons to be learned on that project. The estimating of the cost of a tunnel is very different from other types of construction because it's very much dependent on progress rates, and therefore you have to create the software in a different manner. So we created customized software that's just applicable to estimating costs for tunneling. We've used it for the last 25 years. It improved our methodologies, and it really assisted in producing cost estimates. We've had a history of very highly accurate cost estimates since we've used that tool, so it's benefited certainly our company and increased our competitive advantage. I'd certainly like to pass on some of the knowledge I've gained and some of the experience to the younger staff in the company. And that's what I think is my challenge in the next year or two. I'm officially retired, but I'm still here. So during that period, I want to use that to pass on some of the knowledge and experience. My initial reaction was surprise, because I wasn't aware that the people that are putting together the package were doing that. I was just honoured to receive an award of this type, and it's particularly gratifying when it's an award that's voted on by your peers in sort of engineering industry. I mean, it's tremendous.
For his significant contributions and unwavering commitment to the profession, Engineer P.Eng. Garrod is being honored tonight with the Engineering Medal for Engineering Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, P.Eng. Garrod.